So now that we feel a little bit better with integer exponents, why not just make things extra super difficult and get even crazier with it? I mean, we're in quarantine. Why not, right? So remember order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. You can apply that to even the strangest looking problems that look like this. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, so first thing in order of operations is parentheses. Oh my gosh, it's like the Blair Witch Project of math. Oh my gosh, where's it going? Calm down, Doc Cam, you're drunk. We'll get there. Oh my goodness. Okay, nobody move. It's finally cooperating. Okay, so let's start with our exponents because that is what PEMDAS tells us to do. So 5 to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1. And I'm going to come over here. 2 to the negative second power. So remember, our negative exponents are going to be 1 over, and then that's going to be 2 to the second power because we will have divided by 2 times. So that is 1 over 2 times 2 is 4. Oh my goodness. This is going to go way down. So I'm just going to rewrite everything. We're just going to clean this up a little bit because it might be hard to read. Okay, so, no. Oh my gosh. Seriously? Okay, here we go. 4 times, we're going to bring this is a 1. 4 times 1 minus 1/4. Alright, so we're going to do our multiplication first. 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 minus 1/4. Aw, you guys, there's fractions, and you hate those, but it's all good. Because if you stack it like this, 4 minus 1/4, boop, 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 boop. I know y'all remember how to do this. There's nothing here. I'm going to borrow. I'm going to make this 3 and 4/4. And so 4/4 minus 1/4 is 3/4. So ta-da, after all of this, let's just zoom out and look at this insanity. After all of, oh my god, disaster. Oh. After all of this, our answer is 3 and 3/4. You guys, I'm going to cry. Alright, I'm just going to slowly and ever so gently move this down. Okay, so again, we're going to start with our parentheses on the inside of our parentheses. Okay, we've got 4 plus 2, that is 6. So if I just write this problem over again, it looks like this. 2 plus negative 7 to the 0 power minus 6 to the negative second power. Alright, let's start cleaning up those exponents. So negative 7 to the 0 power is 1, because anything to the 0 power is 1. We've got 6 to the negative second power. So negative exponent means I'm going to have a fraction, and it's going to be 1 over what 6 times 6 is, 6 to the second power, which is 36. Okay, so far so good. 2 plus 1 minus 136. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 minus 136. You guys, there's fractions again. You can do it. Look at that. Alright, you know where this is going. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so I'm going to borrow from the 3. The 3 becomes a 2. Let's make this 36 over 36. 36 minus 1, 35 over 36, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So, grand finale answer from that whole thing, 2 and 35, 36. Oh my god, we are making history right now. Okay, last problem. Alright, so I'm not seeing anything to clean up inside of the parentheses. Interesting, there's this thing happening right here. Who remembers what happens when you have a number outside of a parentheses? Oh, wait, that's right, I can't see any of your faces, so none of you can stare awkwardly at me and not share the answer. Well, here's what happens. This is a multiplication sign. So, what I need to do first is I need to deal with this exponent, 2 to the negative third power, which is 1 over, remember that's that negative exponent, so it's 1 over, I'm going to zoom in real close. Okay, 1 over whatever 2 to the third power is, 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. 7 minus 8 times 1/8 plus 13. Okay, I've got to do my multiplication now. So when I'm multiplying, multiplying fractions, no big deal. NBZ, I'm going to make 8 over 1. And when you do that, this actually cross-simplifies. Boop, boop. So 8 times 1/8 is actually 1. So my problem is 7 minus 1 plus 13. 7 minus 1 from left to right is 6. 6 plus 13. So my final answer, 19. You guys! We did it!